Welcome back to Takeover Diesel. Been a while since I posted a video. What I'm working on right now is I was currently waiting on the JB weld to harden up because I put a boost gauge in the 7.3. Got it all mounted up, hooked up, tubing ran. The adapter just now put down in my intake, had to drill a hole and got it down in my intake. Now waiting on the JB weld to seal it. Also wrapped plumbing tape around the threads to give it a better seal. But this is what the gauge looks like. I just ran the wire, nothing fancy, just ran the wires down. One grounded to that bolt back there where my CB's grounded, and then into my fuse box. That one's my CB, that one's my boost gauge. And then ran the tubing through the door. It don't get kinked up or nothing. Ran it through there, out, crossed. I'm gonna fix all the wiring. I got tubing to put all these wires in. I started to do it here. That's what all the wires are gonna be in. I had to drill a hole in this bezel that comes out of the turbo. Drill a hole, put the fitting down in there, JB weld it after you put the thread tape on it. Give it a good seal so it won't leak. This will harden up in probably 20 minutes or so. But while that's drying, I got the stack put in the other day, a monster stack. It looks good. All new piping, but it was dark when I put it in the other night, so I just half-ass welded it in spots to keep it together. So as for right now, I'm going to finish welding all the piping while I'm waiting on that adapter to harden up. But let's just get right into the welding. If I can figure out a place to get you guys set. This will work. There we go. All right, that'll work. Now I don't have a welding helmet at the moment, which is not very smart, but sunglasses will work just fine, like so. Well, let's get into this. It won't take but a second. Welder turned on. Easy as that. That's that on the welding. It's all solid. Actually, we gotta do some touch-ups on the other side of that pipe, and then it'll be done. Like I said, it's not very smart to weld without a welding helmet. Like you can see, the pipes were so hot welding, smoke coming out of it. But let that cool down and go grab a beer. But no, not very smart to weld without a welding helmet, honestly. I'm seeing spots now, actually. But it'll be all right. No pussies on this channel. Looky there. Finish up welding the other pipe, then the stack will be completely done. And I'm not using a fancy welder at all. That's what I'm using. Works great. Lays down some good beads. Welding all of that. It definitely welds really good. Amazon. I think it was like 80 bucks. And it does the same job as all the big ones. But let me hop back down here, finish welding this up, and then we'll go to finishing the boost gauge. That's that. See polka dots everywhere. This welder is awesome. I'll hit that for now. Let my eyes readjust. Oh. But yeah, since the last time I made a video, the truck was kind of, oh, my damn sunglasses. The truck was kind of completely stock, really. Like I said, other than the bigger turbo. Things I have done since the last time it was on this channel was, it's got new headlights installed. If you remember, look back on the other videos, they were all stock and dirty as hell. $100 off Amazon. Badass headlights. But you all seen the light bar install. Got the power stroke put across. Also put new cab lights from Amazon with the LED bulbs. Turn these on here. The old ones were all busted. They were orange stock. Those ones look way better. Looks way better. And then also got my YouTube channel, Takeover Diesel, logo across my dash. Badass. Of course, got the rebel flag headliner. Also put the Power Stroke P73 on the back. But that is it, and then I will show you after I get the gauge put in.